Jumpy Kids!
Let's learn A to Z alphabet. A is for airplane, flying in the sky. B is for butterfly, fluttering by. C is for cat with a soft, loud meow. D is for dinosaur, hear it roar now. E is for Earth, our big blue ball. F is for flamingo, standing tall. G is for gifts we love to share. H is for house with love and care. Sweet. J is for jellyfish swimming with feet. K is for Komodo dragon, strong and bold. L is for lion with a roar so gold. M is for mountain reaching high. N is for narwhal with a horn to the sky. O is for owl who says hoo hoo. P is for pizza just for you. U is for questions we love to ask. R is for robot doing a task. S is for snake that slithers around. T is for tree growing from the ground. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for vase with flowers on display. W is for watermelon, juicy and red. X is for xylophone, we play before bed. Y is for yoga, stretch and play. Z is for zebra, trotting away. That's our ABCs, hip hooray. Let's sing again another day.
Jumpy Kids! Tap subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a fun moment.